We are going to learn more today about what is next after the Supreme Court's landmark ruling on same-sex marriage.
The Texas Freedom Network and other civil liberties and LGBT rights organizations, they're going to talk around 10 o'clock this morning at the state capitol. And this comes just after Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton concedes that same-sex marriage is the law, but says his office will help people who may oppose it defend their religious beliefs. Alicia Inns is continuing to follow the reaction this morning after Friday's ruling. She's live at the state capitol. Good morning.
Good morning, Kate. Yeah, a lawless ruling. That's what Attorney General Ken Paxton is saying after this decision. And then in a statement he released over the weekend, he said the justices weakened the rule of law and fabricated a new constitutional right. He says the high court's decision may be the law in Texas, but that government workers can opt out with likely consequences because they face possible fines, even legal action against them, like breaking any other law. Paxton insists that civil clerks, they have legal religious protection rights and that there are plenty of lawyers, some even pro bono, ready to defend them in this case. A lot of reaction coming out of this, including some from Governor Greg Abbott responding to this decision in his announcement, saying that, quote, Texans can't be forced by the court ruling to act contrary to their religious beliefs. Now, keep in mind that since Friday's ruling, a federal district court in Texas has prohibited the state from enforcing state laws that define marriage as exclusively a union between a man and a woman. So, of course, something we're going to be keeping our eye on, because I can tell you, with as much reaction as we're getting on both sides, it's not going to end anytime soon. Reporting from the Capitol, Alicia Inns, KXAN News.
Alicia, thanks. And we are keeping an eye out on county clerks' offices around Central Texas. Williamson County has not handed out any yet because officials say they wanted to hear from the Attorney General's office first. Local attorney Skip Davis told us that he would file a lawsuit against Williamson County this morning at the Texas Supreme Court if they don't start issuing marriage licenses. And looking at the map, most of the state's 254 counties also say they will not issue licenses until the Attorney General's office has spoken. Marriage licenses are only being issued in major cities like Austin, Dallas, and Houston. The Travis County Clerk's Office will continue issuing those licenses this morning, starting at 8. It will also be open next weekend. On Friday alone, the Clerk's Office tells us it issued 313 marriage licenses. National monuments across the country lit up in support of the decision. BuzzFeed shared a few pictures, including this one of the Alamo.